Hi everybody, this is Elizabeth with Petals and Parchment. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for joining me today. I wanted to do a quick flip through of the new kit I just released that's on sale for Cyber Monday. It's called the Grungy Christmas Flip-Flop Tag Booklet, and I just wanted to show you kind of what it's about, and then I'll also post a video and show you how to put it together. So this is the kit. It's 18 pages and it's really grungy. It's a tag booklet. And here's the preview. And I just wanted to show you some of the pages real quick before I get to work cutting them up and doing the video for assembly. These are just some little items to go in the pockets. And here's some of the tags, and there's some children in the Victorian era sitting on Santa's lap. Those are really cute. And here's jolly old Saint Nick himself. A few images of an imagined North Pole in Victorian times. Also an image of a Christmas tree in someone's parlor. We've got some pretty bows and some more tags here. A lovely set of stitched pockets. Some more tags and just some little bits and pieces here. More Christmas tree in the parlor shots and a few ragged, torn scraps. And this is Mrs. Claus knitting a stocking in her rocking chair or standing by the tree offering cookies or presents. Could also be Grandma sitting in her rocking chair. Then we've got some more tags and some reindeer. Also some grungy numbers and some faux hardware. You could use these numbers to create an advent calendar booklet or a December daily. And finally, some nice sentiments. There are also several backing sheets I haven't printed yet, but you can sort of see them on the preview here. And it's a great deal right now for Cyber Monday. You can pick up this kit for $2 on my Etsy or Ko-fi site, and that will resume normal price tomorrow on the 3rd. So grab it while you can at the special price and join me in a little while. We're going to be assembling the tag booklet. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye!